track of the total number of homes that we build every week. That was from the week previous, so last week we didn't have time to come up here. So on the 20th of this month, we're gonna show how many we built last week and our projected number of homes we're gonna build this week. And then we're gonna go down the line and kind of show you guys all that's going on. Tom?
Yeah.
I'll do it.
All right, so we ended the week 3 at 216, and then we built a total of really 5.5 last week. We had a kind of an off week because we
Put a 0.5.
Yeah, do 5.5. I mean, everything counts, right?
So 10.5.
Yeah. So we had a camper run through, which is a little bit different. So we're gonna pull it off to the side and have one guy kind of finish it, punch it out this week. And then we also pulled in 2 more houses that we punched out. We moved a water heater in one, and then we moved a cottage from next door over, punched it out, cleaned it, tested it, and everything last week. So we worked on a total of 8, really. 5 new builds, got about halfway through the cottage, and then punched out 3.
Yeah. We hope that we can get 6 a week, but if we don't, we'll tell you that we don't. If we do more, we'll do more. The thing is that we know that if we build 6 a week, the homes that we have on our order list, not including Buffalo Creek, which is a community we're hoping to get done in hopefully about 8 months to 10 if we can get it done.
Yeah.
The amount of homes will be off of our build in the 1st of December that we need to build for the people we sold. So really, Tom, we're only 5 months out, 6 months out.
Yeah.
You know, and to have a company that, you know, you take a list right now, we build a home in 5 months, 6 months, we start your home, and we're throwing these out 6 a week.
Yeah.
So we just want to show that with our decrease in staff, and how our numbers are still at the same amount of production rate.
So we're at 141 homes still to build.
We have 141 homes built. That's our specials that we sold out. All of you all that they're 8x24s, we're going to show you. They're double dormers.
Big homes.
Big homes. And we're getting 6 out a week.
So yeah, by December, it's 138 homes. So
yeah,
we're done.
And we should hit that before that December.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
All right.
Let's
take a tour and show you guys these homes, these new panels that have come out. If you can see the strength of them, you know, I want to do a tour. I would like to bring the public in here. They always tell me I can't because of insurance policies. Yeah. You're going to be so impressed. I personally live in a small, the door remnant homes, right? It's been super hot. The whole country's hot. My house is painted black. And I'm going to get a heat gun today when it comes out and show how hot it is on the outside of the house. My air conditioning was set at 72, 74 during the day. And it was so comfortable with a small mini split. Yeah. So.
And these are 3 inches thick.
Yep.
Versus your 1.5 inches.
Fortresses. Yeah.
2 inches, whatever.
All right. Let's go take a tour.
Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk the line. We're going to take a look at the 8x24 new panel we have, which is 3 inches thick. Closed cell foam, should be like an R21, close to it. And this is the home right here. I'll reach back here and see it. And I don't know if you can see, like on the dormer side up top, it's 3 inches of closed cell foam. So the stuff is awesome. Really impressed with the new panels that we got come in. And we have, I think 5 or 6 more shipments coming. So I'm gonna walk you down the line, kind of show you how clean and organized everything is. This is 24 with a dormer. You guys are working on. Last week we did 5.5 because I'll show you we have a camper that ran through the line, which is a little bit different. So the windows, stuff like that cut out. It's taking a little bit more time than what we're used to. We're gonna pull it off to the side and have Charlie Ben finish it out. And then here is the look at the new panel. Got Braden in here, got Al, Bubba's doing the mini split. All right, we'll walk on down the line. Single file, we're doing our best to keep everything single file. That way everything's completed in each section and it doesn't move until it's complete. Now the camper will be a little bit different because it's a little unique. So that'll be the only time I hope we pull one off to the side. Last week I mentioned earlier in another video, we finished out 5 and then we brought in I think 3 homes that we punched out.
One of them was this 16-footer on the right. We had to move a water heater from downstairs to the loft. If people aren't going to use it for sleeping loft, so it'd be better suited for them up top. And then there's a cottage that's getting ready to go out. They're cleaning now. We've got the water test done and everything. You can see the electricals on it. We've got the mini split running. So everything's working out with the crew that we have. We've got John over here doing bay windows on it. John is the man. Other than that, everything's looking good. Look down this line right here. Super clean and well organized. It's almost like a well-oiled machine. So, all right. Thanks, everybody.